In this video, I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to your Canon SELPHY CP1500 to print pictures directly from your phone. If it's the first time that you're using your Canon printer, you'll get this screen automatically after choosing the language. If it's not your first time using the printer, you need to go into Wi-Fi settings. Then in this menu, go down until you see Wi-Fi and you need to enable it. Press OK. Go up and select Enable. This way the Canon printer will have its Wi-Fi working. Then go up, and you should select Connection Settings, Selfie Photo Layout, and click OK. Click OK another time, and then you'll have the same screen. Second step is to take your iPhone, open the Camera app, and point it to the QR code. It should detect that is a website attached to the QR code and simply tap on it. It will open the Canon website over here. Then tap App Store. It will ask you to open the App Store. And it will present to you the Canon Selfie app. You need to download it. Then open the app. You'll have this screen. You just need to press Agree. Here it will just show you different things you can do with the app. You can go and skip through these. You can read them if you want. And press the Start button. Then second step, you need to select Canon CP1500, which is the first one. Tap on it. On this next screen, all you have to do is to press the OK button. Press OK again. Press OK. On the printer, press OK, and in a few seconds it will give you a QR code. Simply press OK and it will appear. Point the camera to the QR code and it should be almost instant. You're gonna get this message, tap OK, tap Join, and it will connect to the printer. This may take a few seconds since it's the first time you're doing this setup. You'll get this message, press Allow, and finally press OK. Alright, let me show you how to print a picture using your phone. So in this menu on the app, you go up, select the first option. Then you'll need to give access to your pictures. So that's what you need to do so the app can actually seize them. You'll have to select between different options. First, you need to select what size of paper you're using. And this card is postcard. This is the 4x6 that was included. Then the finish. And the last option, I prefer to turn it off. It's just the app that will try to make your picture better. But, since you don't have a control, it's better to turn it off. Finally, here you have to select where you want to get the pictures. If you tap this option, you can select Instagram, Google Photo, or Image Canon if you have your picture there. But in our case, the picture is on my phone. So I'll tap Smartphone. Here you have many options depending where the picture is. In my case, it's in my favorites. This is the picture. Just tap on it. It will have a check mark. You can even zoom on it by pressing the magnifying glass just to make sure that it's on focus and it's the picture you want to print, and press OK. Here it will just remind you that you can tap on the picture if you want to resize it or, scale it up and down. Just press the OK button when you're done with this. Then on the bottom here, you're going to have many options to customize your picture. You can choose if you want a border or the picture to be borderless, so it takes all the 4x6 space. I prefer without borders, so I'll put it like this. Then if you have borders, you can choose the color, black and white, and there's many other options over here to put some overlay. You can draw over the picture, write stuff, many options that you can explore by yourself. Once you're done, you just have to press the print button on the bottom here. It will ask you to connect to your printer. Just press join, and now it will connect in just a few seconds. And yeah, you see preparing, and we're done. The images has been sent to the printer You can press OK, by the way, on the screen. You don't need your phone anymore, and the printer will do its job. It will print each color one by one. Just make sure that behind the printer, you see over there, there's nothing blocking the actual paper from going there, like a cable or an object, because it will swing it back and forth until all the colors are applied. And you can see on the screen which color is printing. Now it adds the blue and the image makes more sense, but we're not done. When the last color is printed, it will spit it on the tray over there, and you'll be able to grab it right away. It's not like a Polaroid where you need to wait and you don't need to touch the ink because it will smear. You can do it right away. So this is the picture. I think it came out quite well. And you can remove those borders. It's very easy, you don't need any tool. Just bend the paper. And as you can see, just bend it the other way as well. And the small excess paper will come out by itself. So this is it. I hope this video was useful. If so, if you want to support this channel, check the Amazon links in the description to get more film for your selfie printer. If not, just leave a like, a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.